Learn daily English sentences for home that you must know.
I look in the mirror. I look in the mirror.
I take off my jacket. I take off my jacket. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I turn on the light. I turn on the light. I turn off the light. I turn off the light. I make my bed. I make my bed.
I put on my glasses. I put on my glasses.
I take off my glasses. I take off my glasses. I feel sleepy. I feel sleepy. I wake up early. I wake up early. I get out of bed. I get out of bed.
I open the window. I open the window.
I close the window. I close the window. I pick up my phone. I pick up my phone. I hang my clothes. I hang my clothes. I fold my clothes. I fold my clothes. I stretch in the morning. I stretch in the morning. I fluff the pillow. I fluff the pillow. I charge my phone. I charge my phone. I move a chair. I move a chair. I dust the table. I dust the table.
I pack my bag.
I pack my bag. I cover myself with a blanket. I cover myself with a blanket.
I take a deep breath. I take a deep breath.
Learn English with me.